colleagues, and my dear students. I, Dr. Zeba, Assistant Professor from Department of Chemistry, feel deeply honored to welcome you all to the valedictory session of this GYAN program entitled In Situ Design and Catalytic Dynamics of Nanomaterials for Water and Air Quality Monitoring and Mitigation, which was held between 28th April to 2nd of May 2025. So I request our esteemed dignitaries, Professor Saiduddin Sir, Dean Faculty of Sciences, uh, Professor Zeenhom Mohammad Ahmed Al-Bahi Sir, our foreign expert, Professor Atiqur Rahman Sir, our local coordinator GYAN program, and both our course coordinators, Dr. Raisuddin Sir and Professor Saika Ma'am, to kindly escort our guests to the dais. Thank you everyone for joining us today for this concluding session. So, as we reflect on this enriching journey, let us be inspired by the words of Madame Marie Curie. And she said that one never notices what has been done, only one can see what remains to be done. So, with this quote, I leave up to the audience that there's a lot to do whenever we disperse after this event. And we have been graced by our foreign faculty, Professor Zeen Sir, who has very actively, interacted with all our young participants. So I request Professor Atiqur Rahman Sir to kindly felicitate Professor Zenhom Sir by offering a memento as a token of love and respect. Thank you. जी अ, जो हमारा फर्स्ट डे वाला प्रेजेंटेशन ज्ञान वाला था उसको प्लीज बैकग्राउंड में चला दो. आमिर इज हेयर अराउंड. इज आमिर हेयर? विक्रांत भाई, वो फर्स्ट डे वाली प्रेजेंटेशन चला देंगे आप? इट वाज देयर ऑन दैट सिस्टम इटसेल्फ. हाँ ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. मे बी ऑन द स्लाइड शेयर शो मोड अगर चल जाए. अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके. So moving ahead, I request Professor Nasimul Huda sir to kindly felicitate our Dean sir, Professor Saiduddin sir, for his gracious presence and always blessing us. I request Professor Saiduddin sir to please felicitate Atikur Rahman sir, our local coordinator for GYAN program. Thank you, sir. So now we move on to the most awaited moment of this entire session. And I'm very happy to announce that we had almost 90% participation for the examination which was conducted in the last session. In the entire 5-day program, we had around 13 technical lectures, and each day we had tutorials. and we had 63 registered participants for this program from all over the country. So I'll be calling upon the names of the participants. I would request them to come soon after their names are being announced. I request our Dean Sir to kindly confer these certificates to our participants. Afreen Jahan, Miss Afreen Jahan. हाँ sir, आगे आगे. Tuba, are you here around? Can you please come here? I'll call upon names and you please pass it on to sir. आफरीन जहां, आप इधर आ जाओ सही में. तुबा इधर आ जाओ. शकील अलवी, मोहम्मद फदीन. फदीन is there. जल्दी जल्दी प्लीज. जी. अस्मा, आमिर. अच्छा. मोहम्मद सुफियान आलम. काजल अग्रवाल. इरम. इरम is also not. बेना. अलीजा खान. अलीजा is there. आसिया अकील. याशिका. प्रेरणा राणा. अदिति पालीवाल. Aditi is not there, I guess. You are there, Aditi? Oh, okay. Achha. Please come fast. Sanjana. Aditi Paliwal. Sir, Aditi Saxena, I guess her certificate is down. कोई बात नहीं. Yeah. Nitika Meena. Lokesh Kumar. I'll change it, sir. Sure. Hemendra Pratap Singh. Himanshi Goyal. Deepa Deepa Dhandli. Mohammad Nadeem. Nadeem is here. We thank Professor Saiduddin, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I would request Professor Atikur Rahman, sir, to kindly confer these certificates to our participants. Danishta Parveen. Mariam Fatma. Mohammad Zaid. Mohammad Zaid. Sayyid Zainab Hassan. Rizwan Arif. Disha Mishra. Buddhdev Gautam. Disha Mishra. Sir, वो गौतम सर. निमी पवार. Rahul Singh, Tamkeen Tashkeel, Neha Saini, Himakshi Adhikari, Mansi Sharma, Sadaf Ansari, सर भी बहुत हैं, कशिश सिंह, सौरभ सिंह, we thank Atik sir. Thank you, sir. I now request Professor Zeen sir to kindly uh, confer the certificates to our participants. Harsh Rawat, Aditi Saxena, Indrajit Kumar, Ankur, Ankur Chaurasia, Aisha A, Noman, कोई नहीं सर नमान को ही देते हैं। कहकशां सरफराज, मनोज शर्मा, मनोज वसी मुर्तजा, मोहम्मद रविश, रविश is there. नम्रा, राबिया मेहंदी, स्नेहा शुक्ला, अब्दुल मोईज, अना आफ्ताब, हसन खैरुज़्ज़मा, मरियम खान, मोहम्मद केके, श्रुति जैन, गजाला परवीन, जैद मलिक, शहजादी खातून, रवि कुमार, and Tuba Fatma. Thank you, Zen sir. And this is time to conclude. Okay, so before we conclude, I'd like to leave you with this thought, and it is a thought by Werner von Braun, and he said that research is what I'm doing when I'm doing, I know that I'm doing nothing. So, with this curiosity of discovery and to inspire, to learn every time in the scientific pursuit, uh, I think this journey has been an enriching academic journey, and I wish all our participants continued success and fruitful collaborations ahead. And I request all our dignitaries and participants to kindly assemble for a group photograph uh, after the seminar. Before we finally disperse, I'd request any one among the participants, especially those who are from outside Jamia, to come here and please give your feedback. I mean, in the entire last day, all our speakers were here to speak. This is a turn for our participants. Sir, please. Whatever. I mean, any thought, any observation, any comment, whatever you feel like, you can please come and share.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, Jamia Millia Islamia and Ministry of Education, who have given us opportunity to participate in such Gyan program. In overall session, I, especially I and we all have benefited in different types of theoretical as well as experimental concepts that we know or did not know till now. So many concepts that we have during these all sessions, they are new for me and also well known about and get familiar about the different types of instrumentations during the uh, hands-on training sessions. And that's why thank you for this and especially as far as I don't know what is the financial facility given by the government, but here overall the hospitality of that is given by the Jamia Millia Islamia is fantastic. Thank you, sir. Myself, Buddhadev Gautam, assistant professor in B.R. Ambedkar, Bihar University. Yes, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Sadaf Ansari from DSB campus, Kumaon University, Nainital. First of all, I would like to thank the coordinators for arranging this a training program so that we could come here and know each other and get benefited from all the course program and hands-on training. This training, as we have said so many times, we were provided with a load of knowledge, but along with that, one major benefit that we got from this training program is the exposure that many of us were missing because all of us are not from the research background. Many students are in masters, in their first year of masters. Some of them, I I talked with a few participants. They joined even after 12th. They were graduates. So it is a major exposure, a chance to meet the uh, renowned scientists and get benefited from their knowledge and experience. The tiny details, along with the theoretical knowledge, the tiny details and tips that were very useful in our research were shared by Dr. Zanhom sir and Maurya sir and uh, Ozair sir, sorry. And Uzair sir, so that we can collaborate with them and learn new techniques. And I forgot in the previous session to thank Salim Javed sir especially for motivating us to ask questions. As he always says, more and more questions will let us know the more about our subject and our topics. And with these words, not taking much of all the time and boring you all, I would like to thank all the faculty of Jamia Millia Islamia and coordinators, and a special thanks to our foreign faculty, Dr. Zanham sir. With his teaching and presentation, one of the best explanation that I have ever received. His presentation style his presentation style and the way he connect everything to our daily life. When I was answering the question in test, it was a feeling like sir is standing in front of us and he is telling stories and we could take easily. So this is one of the bestest quality of a teacher, that if you close your eyes you see him in front and explaining everything, and I got this feeling from the teaching of Dr. Zanhom sir. Thank you so much, sir. And obviously, all of us are going to miss you a lot. You are still not inviting us to Egypt. Thank you, sir.
I would now request Professor Atikur Rahman sir to finally conclude with his concluding remarks.
Uh, a very good afternoon, Assalamu alaikum, and Namaskar. Uh, this is a very important day, fifth day, for the participants and for the organizers and for the foreign faculty. They are much relieved now. Relieved in the sense that they have successfully completed a course, and the course is very important course. And I was talking to Professor Zinhom sir, and I said that you have trained 60% those who are young and they have a long career. That is the best part of the program. And that is the motive of the Ministry of Education and Government of India and present Prime Minister Shri Modi ji. Train young generation so that they can carry the research, they can carry the new thing that has been imparted by the learned faculty member from Egypt. And what I see from the participant feedback, they are truly speaking what you have delivered, sir. So we are so very happy. And being a local coordinator, university coordinator of this Goyan program, I'm happy that this is the second program that has been successfully completed. One was in physiotherapy. So I could see some of the the Ministry of Gyan portal, the IT Kharagpur has made it this time a new thing that every day it is live stream. Early it was not there. In the phase 1, 2, 3, it was not there. They made it now. So it is being live stream every day and it is put on the open portal so that even those who have not attended due to certain reason, they can even enrich the knowledge that he has imparted. So that is the best part of this program. So I could see some of the uh, lectures in in the evening time, and I was seeing that there are young faculty members, they are very nicely actively participating, interacting with the expert, and is very nicely responding to that. So I'm very happy that the course proposal that has been prepared by Dr. Raisuddin and Dr. Saika Ikram and other colleagues of the department, they have made it very nicely. And the best, one of the best part I like it, hands-on training. That is very good. So hands-on training is the most important component, sir, that you have delivered. And Raisa has also invited at last moment. He asked me, can I invite some good expert from India? It was not there in the original program. I said, yes, you can do it. Because Ministry of Education and GAN does not deny you to invite. So at the last moment, he is invited. Two, I suppose, two experts. Yes, two experts from somewhere. I do not remember the exactly name, but they delivered a very good lecture. So that makes the success of this, GAN program. So I sincerely thank the entire department, Zeba and the coordinators, and to the external professor that you have spared more than a week time. And I'm sure that the participants and other people will keep on in touch with you in their respective research domain. Thank you so much. I wish you all the good luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your motivational and inspiring words. That truly means a lot for all of us. And now I would request Professor Saifa Ikram to come upon and felicitate or say a few words in the honor of our foreign faculty. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Zeba. I fondly call her Sweetie. Thank you, Sweetie. Uh, Professor Saiduddin, our Dean Faculty of Sciences. Professor Atikur Rahman, our University Coordinator for GYAN Program. Our foreign faculty, Professor Zenom Muhammad Ahmed Al-Bahi. and Dr. Raisuddin, who is the coordinator of this program, and I am your co-coordinator, Professor Saiqa Ikram from the Department of Chemistry. In the audience, we have Professor Naseemul Huda from the Department of Chemistry, Professor Saif Ali Chaudhary from the Department of Chemistry, Dr. Muhammad Asif from Department of Geography, and Dr. Buddha Dev from Bihar University, Dr. Maqsood from Department of Chemistry, and Dr. Prabhas from right now he's in Faculty of Engineering, but earlier he was in Center for Nanoscience and Nanotechnology. And my dear participants, first, of course, Dr. Zeba. First of all, let me put my sincere greetings as well as my profound regards to all of you. Then, my heartiest congratulations to all the participants who have successfully completed this 5-day program. We are very delighted that you have come from your own institutions far away from Delhi, across the nation, from different part of the countries to attend this program and to make it successful. We are very honored and thankful to you, to all of you. Now, as we are at the concluding ceremony, I am greatly thankful to all the people who are on the dais and off the dais, including our administration, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, our respected Registrar, Professor Mehtab Alam Rizvi, and Professor Muhammad, Professor Mazhar Asif Saab for providing all the facilities. I'm also thankful to our Dean, Student Welfare, and the other administrative staff, our proctors, and especially the non-teaching staff who have supported us in conducting this 5-day program without any hassle and with all the facilities which they could provide, and most importantly the CIT for providing this not only this auditorium but also providing the recording facilities, which is very important in terms of conducting this program. As you all know that this program is live on YouTube and being recorded every minute, every second is being recorded. So this was the far most important facility which was desperately needed, and we are greatly thankful to Director CIT as well. As my dear colleague Zeba, she always state a quote from Marie Curie. She is the one, in fact, she's a role model to all the female scientists. So, and I really admire her. And if you go to my Facebook page, you'll find that I have a particular quote of her on my Facebook wall, which is state, "Fall in love with more frequently with the ideas, not with the people. These are the one which never betrays you." So again, I thank you all with the concluding remark, uh, with a quote of that was said by Michelle Obama. We learned about honesty and integrity, that the truth matters, that you don't take shortcut or play by your own set of rules, and success doesn't count unless until you earn it fair and square. So with this quote, I thank you all on behalf of Department of Chemistry and Jamia Millia Islamia. I wish you, and we all wish you a great success and good luck. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. Uh, I request everybody to please gather outside to have a concluding valedictory photograph, a group photograph, and then we'll be having a high tea and guest house. And with this, I conclude and I announce that the program is over. Thank you.